Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
This is a whole trace. There are two types of trace. One is whole application trace. One is just a rule trace. Right? If you have opened the trace from here, this is a whole application trace. Now, if you selected that checkbox, go and tick on the checkbox. Go on, see the trace. Let it complete. See how many rules it has traced. It has traced the OTB framework rules. Everything it will trace. See, it has traced the reload section also. You have given the refresh section right. You have invoked the data transform right. See, it is invoking, it is calling everything. It is tracing everything. Each and everything it will trace. See how many lines of code it has executed. 86 lines. Right. Now, if you want to find your data transform, now here you can find, because this is a simple one, you can directly find it here. All else, you have to Control F and search the name. You have to Control F and search your data transform name. It will show that one. You see how it has invoked. First one dot location validation equal to true has become true. You can see on the step number 35. Step number 3. Here that become true, right? Here you can see it's true. No. Don't click anywhere. You just close it. Here you can see the true value, right? Come to the right. Come to the, that become true. It's a value. No, that condition has become true. That's why it has entered into the next step 1.1. You understand? Right. You now clear the tracer, pause it. You just uncheck it and you see the difference now. Clear it. Again play it. And you just uncheck that checkbox. Go to the tracer. Pause it, come down. See the step number 35 dot location validation equal to true has become false. Right? That's why it's invoking step number 2. It went to step otherwise condition. If you understand how it has executed, whatever you're clicking, if you're clicking on actions button, it will get traced. If you're executing any activity, it will trace the everything. It will trace PEGA OTB rules and all everything. I'll tell you the difference. Do you close this tracer? Go to your data transform. Click on action. Address info. Not default. You are clicking on that. One means this one set delivery address. Click on actions. Click on trace. Minimize. Go to your screen. And you just check it. Check the checkbox. Now you go there. See, it has traced only this particular rule. You understand the difference, right? If you want to trace a particular rule, you know that the changes are present in this rule. Then you can trace that particular rule itself. If you don't know where the changes are happening and you need to debug anything, then you have to do whole trace. Whole trace in the sense it will trace everything. Right. Tracer, we have two tracers, like one tracer. See, both the tracers are for debugging purpose only. If you know which rule and which things you have to trace, you can use that tracer from the rule level. It will trace that particular rule. That's it. Now, if you want to do a whole tracing, whole entire application tracing, then you can use a bottom tracer. It is always like from bottom to top, right? Correct. It will see the step 1 on the first column. You have one condition. That is in the bottom. It will execute like it is checking the conditions in a to right. Step 2. See everything. You will be having beginning and ending. When begin and when end. This is data transform, begin and data transformation. Last date is there. When begin and when end. Similarly for everything. This is set delivery address, name of our data transform. That is our name of data transform. This is our class of data transform. This is our rule set. Which rule set it is invoking? See, you see the rule set here. What is the rule set? Valid one, right? Why it is on your name? Because you have checked out that rule name. It will pick your private edited checkout rule. If you have checked in, then the rule set will be called or something. You have to use it very efficiently that you can actually debug your problems or any defects issues very efficient. If you go to settings, you can see how many lines of code it will trace. You can increase the lines also. Comb to the bottom. Last to bottom. You have the events to trace 5000 lines. It is given. But if you want to trace more than 5000, generally in my application it will be 5 lakhs. In my tracer, I will give 2 zeros extra. You can give one more 0 extra. Fizz lines. You can click on. Then it will trace until 5000 lines. If suppose a code is there also, it will not trace. It will trace until 5000 lines. Generally better keep 5000. Alright? And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.